Yo, Cheese. You want me to be your vice president, man?
Yeah.
Dude, you gotta tell me stuff like this. Chuck's got a lot of skeletons in his closet, man.
Skeletons?
Yeah, I don't know if this is a good idea.
There's no bones in a chuck steak. It's going to be fine. Old Cheese, he's got a few skeletons himself. But you know what? That all comes out. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Right.
I believe in you. We can run a very successful campaign.
All right, but how are we gonna do that?
We need a campaign manager. We can't do. All successful campaigns have a campaign manager.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
And I think I know the person that can do it for us. I'm just not sure if he's been. I was looking for him earlier. I couldn't find him.
I mean, what? Who? Snoop? He doesn't even go by that name anymore.
Snoop was it? Oh, I know who I was looking for. He's got a.
All right.
I'm telling you, he's got a wide reach. He's charismatic. He knows exactly what he's talking about. He can do this for us. I just need to find him.
We should definitely start looking, I would think.
We can find. So he's somewhere around here. Oh, hey! I was just gonna. Have you seen?
I will be your campaign manager. And together, as the Cheese and Wheeze connection, I will take you to victory. Okay? You have no choice in the matter. Yeah. Campaign manager.
No choice.
No choice in the matter, okay? And as the Cheese and Wheeze connection, we will dethrone Drennen. You will be the president of Mayhem, baby.
Vice President Chuck Steak.
And Vice President Chuck Steak with your campaign manager, Wheezy T, the Cheese, Wheeze, and Steak connection.
You think you can really do this?
Baby, I know I can do it.
Okay. All right, well, I
will be your campaign manager, Cheese, damn it.
Okay. Take us to the
And
top.
I won't let you down.
You won't let me down.
I won't let you down.
You won't let Chuck Steak down.
I don't want to be let down.
It's very important.
No, I could never. Hey, listen to me. I got you, and I got you. And I got you, and I got you.
We can make some changes around here.
Listen to me.
We can make some changes.
I got this. President of Mayhem, you just wait, baby. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Give it to me.
As long as we beat Drennen.
Oh, we'll beat
Yeah,
Drennen.
we got to beat
We'll
Drennen.
beat Drennen.
It's very
He's
important.
got no choice in the matter.
All right. Thank you. Yeah, we'll figure it out. We got this.
I'm feeling a little bit better now.
It's okay. It's okay. We got
All right.
this.
Well, thanks, Cheese.
Yeah. Thank you, Chuck Steak.